In this video, I will show you how to set up the on-page SEO checker in Semrush. First, log into your Semrush account. On the top bar, you will see your profile, search bar, and other quick access features. From your main dashboard, click on the semrush.com hyperlink. Once redirected, scroll down until you see the on-page SEO checker, then click on the Setup button. A pop-up window will appear where you can choose your target country. After selecting, click Continue. You will then see a list of your website pages along with your target keywords. Once you're ready, click Collect Ideas. SEMrush will now automatically analyze your selected pages and generate optimization ideas to help you improve your rankings. And that's how to set up the on-page SEO checker in SEMrush.